Good morning, Nassie. What are you doing? Hi. Oh,
Hi.
hi, Ursulus.
Hi.
Hi, Urs. Nassie, are you finding a little place to hide? Look at that. Did you find a cave? You're the cutest thing ever, Nassie. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Okay, Nassie, you're just adorable. Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. Welcome to my Bliss. In this video, we're just starting our day, hanging out with the burbs, and Nassie is just being his cute little self. Nassie, of course, is a lovebird. And right now, his best bud is Ursulus, our green-cheeked or red-crowned or Mexican red-headed Amazon. But you could see a little size difference. I strongly believe in having two of each species. We do have other Amazons and they ignore each other. Huh, Urs? Hi, Ursulus. You want to say hi?
Hi. Good boy. Good boy.
Or do you want to just stare at the sky? But, so I'm going to try to get a companion for Nassie. And in the meantime, he's just being cute as can be. And one of the reasons I want to get Nassie a companion is because he keeps trying to hang out with the parrotlets. I don't know. Let's see if you can see that parrotlet. Macaroon's in the tree. There she is. And Nassie keeps going to the parrotlets, and the parrotlets are like, you know, we're not the same type. Huh, Nassie? So you could see Nassie's really happy-go-lucky, and he and Urs really are buddies. But he was just being adorable this morning, so I thought I'd catch a few minutes of bliss. He's just so cute. I hope you are having a blissful day as well. If you have any questions about parrots, please be sure to comment below. Hi, Nassie. And we'll catch you next time.